A lot of wrestling taking place on Saturday in Mahomet. Here, Adam Atchison from Central gets his man on his back and scores a near fall. Later in the match, Atchison would get the pin and finish his man off. Atchison would finish third at this tournament. Later on, his teammate Brandon Ward gets a double leg takedown, puts his man on his back. Then later in this match, Ward would get the cradle and pin his man for the points. Ward would finish third as well. Then Jared Ernst from Mahomet here gets the single and takes his man down, scores 2. Then later Ernst seems to be in a bit of trouble, able to get the reverse, score the 2 points. However, Ernst would fall short at the end of the tournament and finish second. Teammate Andrew Brewer scoring 3 points here as well on a near fall, able to finish his man off later with a pin, but Brewer would also finish short in a decision and finish second at the tournament. Tournament champion Jason Cleary here gets 2 points from the takedown, that scores a near fall. Cleary would win his final match. Then Aaron Gillenson would remain undefeated at the tournament here, scoring 2 reverse points to help him win a decision in the championship match.